Hello, today we'll be exploring the feasibility of constructing a metro station at the University of Sydney. The New South Wales Government has announced a new underground metro railway line linking Parramatta and Sydney CBD. The University of Sydney population is expected to increase to 76,000 over the next 20 years. Currently, Redfern Station is the only nearby train station for commuting staff and students. However, without any planned upgrades or expansions to this existing station, Redfern will not be able to efficiently service the growing population. And so a metro station in the University of Sydney could be the solution. University of Sydney needs to be included in the Metro West project that is ongoing. We will explore the feasibility of this project by considering possible risks, environmental factors, budget, and possible station location. Currently, we have Ian and Owen that are on site to tell you more about these factors.
Thanks, Jenny. I will be talking about the possible risks associated with the construction of a metro station and the environmental impacts. Firstly, the associated risks including noise complaints, environmental considerations, and space. The construction may cause noise, and the complaints from public about light rail construction noise have been received for many times. This problem might be more significant as the construction is in campus. And also, the construction of the light rail metro station may cause an increasing traffic load in certain areas, especially for those areas around campus, since the road capacity here is very limited. And the construction may cause damage to habitats as well. And we also noticed that building a new train station might occupy a lot of space resources around the University of Sydney, and some old buildings around the University of Sydney might have to move out. Indeed, some space for studying inside the university might have to give way to the new train station as well. And since the construction will take place in a dense urban area, it is important to communicate with the surrounding community. A metro station will promote the use of public transportation instead of individual driving, which will eventually reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emissions. Also, this station will be a centralized location for business and the residential areas to develop, thus increasing the property values of surrounding area. And Owen will be talking about the project budget and the proposed location of the metro station at St. Paulo. Thank you.
Thanks, Ian. So when it comes to choosing a location for a train station, there are many important factors to be considered before we can proceed with the project. Now, first of all, we need to choose a central location which maximises accessibility to all locations of the campus. So today I'm here at St Paul's College Oval, which is next to Eastern Avenue, the main strip through the middle of the campus. Now, unfortunately, there's a bit of construction going on today, but behind me there is a bit of space which has the potential to be cleared to make enough room for the station. However, this is still a fair distance from the outskirts of the campus, so another approach would be to build the station at a location which is currently difficult to get to via public transport. The Royal Prince Alfred Hospital, which is on the far side of the campus, would be another suitable location as patients can greatly benefit from the minimised walking. Another important aspect to be taken into consideration is the budget. It needs to account for all potential costs involved in the project, and if not calculated properly, can cause the entire project to fail, which results in a huge loss of money. This means extensive research must be carried out beforehand. This would involve analysing the statistics of similar stations to be sure that enough money can be made back to support the project. Back to you, Jenny.
Thank you, Ian and Owen. And so we can see from before that demands for a metro station at the University of Sydney is clear. However, after taking into consideration the different effects of possible risks, environmental factors, the project budget, and a proposed location, it is also clear that the station will be beneficial, and therefore a station at the University of Sydney should be included in the New South Wales Metro West project.